Guys, good day. Good day. Good day, mate. We are on our way to another trip. Right? To Aussie Farm in the Philippines.
Just to stay over, and then tomorrow morning we'll head to Davao to do our yearly reporting at the immigration centre there.
Yeah, because we are far from the city, like more than 2 hours away. Drive. 3, right? 3 hours drive. So William and Chick is let us to stay over. So tomorrow we're gonna
Set off early and go to Davao.
Yeah, together with them. And yesterday and today it's raining. I don't know what's happening the weather, guys. We have colds. Is it colds? Chill or colds because of the weather. And now it's been rain and it's just stopped, and everything is really wet. So see you there, guys. So it's like it's really soaking wet. It started again, the rain, then yesterday whole day rain, non-stop rain, and overnight, and now it's just stopped but back. And we don't know for there if the road has a floods area. Floods lang, no?
Yeah, just wait and see.
Yeah, because we see some of posts in the social media. Some bridge, it's broken lang. There's a bridge broken. I don't know which bridge. Yeah, totally cut.
Hopefully it's not the one we go over.
Yeah, hopefully. So hopefully tomorrow, guys, the weather is okay, because it's always like this yesterday and today. So okay, guys, see you there. So it's big river here, guys. It's flood over here, guys. Here the school is very flood. Conception Elementary School. Ayan, guys. Kawawa naman yung school na babahaan. Ayan. Ayan. Mga baha dito yung mga bahay. Happening over here.
Coconuts.
It looks like something wrong. Can you pass?
Yeah, I'm trying.
What's happening, guys? Is flood?
No.
What's this? Flood? What's wrong? It's blood. Ay, rescue? Is it rescue? Look, they're wearing...
Yeah, they may be stuck in here.
There's avalanche and police. Something wrong. Truck behind.
Let him go first.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Lots of people here. There's rescue. I don't know what's happening here.
It's flooded completely. Look.
It's
Can
flood.
you chance it?
I don't know.
I'll just park up here and see how deep it is in there.
Oh, it's flood, guys. Look.
It goes halfway up nearly up to their knees, the kids.
On that side. Oh my goodness, guys. Even the
Oh
Piaggio.
no, look, it's fucking right up his fucking bumper, love, and he's a truck.
Oh, look at that, guys. It's flood.
When you get a truck come through there, it's going to flood the engine.
Oh no.
It's at the top of the wheels of that blue truck.
Lamco. Oh my goodness, we can't make it.
You zoom into it.
Look at this one, guys. It's really flat.
Well, if
This-
they can get through, we should be able to.
Yeah, you see that Piaggio, the push, oh look.
Yeah, I know, I'm saying this one here.
The ano. Wanna try? I think they're working these people here to carry the motorbike. These people here, oh. So they earn money. It's so flat.
Should we turn around and set off early tomorrow morning?
Yeah, maybe.
I don't trust it. Not that I can drive through this, it's when another truck comes the other way and pushes a wave up into the engine, then you've wrecked your engine.
No. So guys, we cannot go to William and Chick because
I don't know how deep it is around the corner.
yeah, can we look the people? They're walking there. Is it car behind this car? No, only the big trucks pass by.
Them big trucks don't want to go through either.
Even that ambulance, you see, it's
They don't want to go through.
no, the ambulance is passed through.
But the big truck behind them.
Yeah. Because if something wrong, it's big problem, you know. If the pipe, even this side, guys, flood. Oh no, it's flood over here in Concepcion, guys. And this bike, trying. They're busy. They're busy there. Oh, I don't know. Look at them, oh, tatay.
It's flooded now, that bike stopped.
I think the bike here is broken.
Yeah.
We have grocery. I thought something wrong, like, I know, it's flood. And so many queuing behind us, guys. So what now?
I think we turn around set off. We'll find out what time William's leaving tomorrow.
So there's another Nissan, guys. We try. If this Nissan will pass through, we will follow. Oh, I think we can. Look at them.
We all get stuck short.
It's my fault? Oh no. Hello, Jesus Christ. Let's go. Oh my God, love. You okay, huh? Sure, huh? Oh my God, it's flood, guys. Hello, grabe.
Fucking keep
Oh my
moving!
Oh, Jesus
Fucking
Christ!
stop!
Oh, Jesus Christ. We make it, love. Oh, Jesus. We make it. Is it okay? Oh, no. Yeah. Look at them. Oh, kawawa. I think there's another. I'm so nervous. Oh.
Always test your brakes when you come out of
Good. Super flood. Oh no, there's another one, guys. Look.
I'll give this one a bit further.
Yeah, don't too close. Oh no, it's really bad. Oh my God. Look, the doggy, guys. Oh, they tied the dog.
No, he can't get off. I'm gonna just pull over and let this truck come past. Look at it.
Look, I'm so scared.